Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we'll walk you through the steps to delete your Snapchat account. It's pretty simple and easy, so let's start straight away. 1. Open Snapchat application on your iPhone. 2. Navigate to account settings. Find and select the Delete My Account option from the menu. 3. Log in. Enter your Snapchat username and password to access your account. 4. You'll need to re-enter your username and password to confirm the deletion. 5. After 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted and all your data will be lost. That's it for today's guide. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Library for more tech tips and tutorials.